What is LLP? How much time does it take to get LLP registration done? What is the cost involved? Are you having lots and lots of questions around LLP registration in India? Let me help you out. Hi everyone, I'm Bhavna from ClearTax. Today, let's discuss Limited Liability Partnership, that is LLP registration, in detail. Limited Liability Partnership has now become a preferable form of organization among entrepreneurs as it incorporates the benefits of both the partnership firm and the company into a single form of organization. So, what are the prominent features of an LLP? It has a separate legal entity just like companies. The liability of each partner is limited to the contribution made by partner. The cost of forming an LLP is low, less compliance and regulations, no requirement of minimum capital contribution. If you want to start your business with Limited Liability Partnership, then you must get it registered under Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. The minimum number of partners to incorporate an LLP is 2. There is no upper limit on the maximum number of partners of LLP. Among the partners, there should be minimum 2 designated partners who shall be individuals, and at least one of them should be resident in India. The rights and duties of designated partners are governed by the LLP agreement. They are directly responsible for the compliance of all the provisions of LLP Act 2008 and provisions specified in LLP agreement. So now, let's look at the process for LLP registration. Step 1. Obtain a digital signature certificate, which is DSC. Step 2. Apply for a director identification number, which is the DIN. Step 3. Limited Liability Partnership Reserve Unique Name needs to be filed for the reservation of name of proposed LLP, which shall be processed by the Central Registration Center under non-STP. Step 4. Incorporation of LLP. Step 5. File the Limited Liability Partnership Agreement. The LLP agreement governs the mutual rights and duties amongst the partners and also between the LLP and its partners. Form 3 for LLP agreement has to be filed within 30 days of the date of incorporation. The LLP agreement has to be printed on a stamp paper. The value of stamp paper is different for every state. Here are the steps for LLP registration in brief. So now, let's look at the documents which are required to register as an LLP. Documents which are required of partners include PAN card or ID proof of the partners, address proof of the partners, residence proof of partners, a photograph, a passport in case of foreign nationals or NRIs. Documents in the case of LLP will be proof of registered office address, also the digital signature certificate. So now, what is the cost involved in the overall LLP registration process? For step 1, which is to obtain the digital signature certificate, it will cost around 1,500 to 2,000 for 2 partners. It can vary depending on the agency. For step 2, which is to obtain the director identification number, it will be rupees 1,000 for 2 partners. Step 3, which is for name reservation, it will be rupees 200. Step 4, which is incorporation of LLP, the cost will depend on capital contribution. For contribution of up to rupees 1 lakh, it is rupees 500. For contribution made between rupees 1 lakh and 5 lakh, it is rupees 2000. Step 5, that is LLP agreement. This again depends on capital contribution. For contribution of up to rupees 1 lakh, the cost will be rupees 50 for filing form 3, and stamp duty will depend on the state where LLP is formed. What is the time involved in the registration process? LLP formation starting from obtaining DSC to filing form 3 takes approximately 15 days. This is subject to availability of all the documents. Registering your firm as a limited liability partnership involves lesser compliance issues as compared to a private limited company registration. Do you think you will need more assistance? From registration to auditor appointment assistance, get ClearTax expert advisory on all matters related to LLP. We are always happy to assist you. Feel free to write to us at enquiries@cleartax.in or call us at 08067458777 for any further queries you have. Get your business registered as a limited liability partnership using ClearTax's expert and legal services. For more detailed information about LLP registration, please visit our page. You can find the link to this page in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, share and comment on our videos, and do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.